Yo, what is going on, guys? It's your boy Liddy right here, right now. I am at Kingston Auto Styling. You guys already know. And they have just picked up this dope-ass car, the Seltzer. Woo! Right-hand drive beauty. Yeah. How do you like it?
I fucking love it, bro.
Love it.
Yeah, I fucking love it.
Heck yeah, man. This thing's so sick. Interior is minty, too. Goddamn. Woo! Of course, you got the Accord out here. Oh, Kingston's on the phone. We are down in Lacey right now. As you may have seen from that previous clip, we visited and dropped by Tony's shop real quick to check out what he's working on. Just because I was getting off the freeway, went to Costco to get some gas, and on the way back to my place, Tony's shop is actually right along there. So I saw his garage open and just kind of showed up for a little bit. But yeah, guys, this is exciting. I've got this package right here. I shipped it to the wrong place. So I shipped it here, and he picked it up instead of the apartment. So that's why I put on the visors first and the mirror first. But yeah, let's get cracking on this. I have been waiting for this for 3 years, and I just never bought it. So, I mean, yeah, this is actually huge. I didn't realize how big this roof spoiler was. Holy shit. Kick that aside for a second. Wow, this is what?
Might as well use it as a.
I did not realize how big this fucking thing was. I thought it was one of the smaller ones. This is huge. Okay, let's see. How does it look? How does it fit? Oh, yo, that's gonna be so sick. What do you think? How do you like? I like it a lot. That's sick. You guys won't be able to see the Toge Flyers banner anymore, but you know, that's fine. Woo! Alright, let's get this thing on the car. But first things first, I gotta wipe it down. Got my spray. Soapy water.
Oh, that's what it is?
Yeah, it is.
I didn't even know that.
Oh, nice, dude. Nice.
There's a lot of plastic.
I know. I'm littering all over the place. I'm gonna do this right now. This 3M always gets me. You guys saw in my last video that I also was having trouble with the 3M strips. The actual line of the window. So are you lined up?
I think so.
Properly? Good. How's it look? Yeah, there it is, the new look. Actually, I want to check it from the side here. Guys, I have officially found my favorite angle of this car. That is so sick. Now, some of you might not like this, and I kind of get it. Like, it does stick up quite a bit. It's kind of like those, like the Civic ones. It just doesn't flow the body line as much, but it's not, like, terrible. You can't really see it, so until like this angle. I like it a lot. Let me know what you guys think about it. I know there's gonna be a little bit of controversy down there, so be nice, play nice. It is my car, I do like it, so don't hate on me too much. But yeah, isn't that just the prettiest sight to see? Goddamn. Goddamn. Looking good, bro. I'm really digging this. The more I look at it, the more I like it. Alrighty, guys, so you may be wondering why I am down here in Olympia, and the real reason is because we are starting to work on the wide body again. We are starting to mold the wide body this weekend, and it's gonna be so exciting. I've been waiting for this for ages, and now that I have tips from the hated WRX and he's got his like halfway done, I kind of know exactly which direction I'm heading. So basically we're gonna start by measuring these fender flares and seeing like where they are in relation to these edge right here, so that we can get them the same length in 3 points on both sides of the car. So that includes this side, and then make sure they are equal, and that way when we go ahead and put our bags on, we can calibrate the height properly just based on the distance from the fender flare here to lip or whatever. We can measure that because it'll be accurate. So what's happening right now is I think this side is higher or lower than this side. I can't really tell. And then the lip is also sagging, so we have to start fixing that as well. So there's a lot of stuff that I'm going to end up doing. So the car is going to be pretty much just prepped. We're going to fix up everything, make sure nothing is kind of falling apart. We're going to take off the bumper, go ahead, sand it all down, repaint it. And then also I have to do the fog lights. These are not the right fog light covers. I don't think they're even the right fog light lights. I'm not sure. So we're going to go ahead and shave those down a little more because they're not perfect right now. I mean, they don't even look right. You can see there's a gap there, and then on this one as well. It's not as bad on this side, actually. Didn't notice that. But yeah, so we're gonna have to do that. We're gonna have to reposition the lip on this side as well because I think it needs to go up a little bit. And then besides that, I think it should be good to go. So what's going to end up happening is I'm going to go ahead and do the fronts first, just because I feel like the fronts are going to be a little easier to work with. I don't have to seal anything. I won't have to take the inner and outer skin and like weld them together for the fronts because they're only one layer and then they're already cut. So that'll be perfect. For the rears, we're going to have to do that because we're waiting on the shop. And the diffuser needs to go on soon. So we have all of that lined up, planned. I know it's been a while. We've been talking about it for a long time, but it's gonna happen, I promise. I'm so excited to put that diffuser on, and just having the wide body molded in the front at least will be a good start. And then we're gonna start working on trying to do like the fiberglass to the plastic on the bumper, because those two materials might not actually kind of line up and weld together properly. So we got to do that right so it doesn't crack. But yeah, so that'd be really nice. And then I'm not sure what to do with these. My initial thought is just get rid of them and remake them. So like bigger plastic pieces, maybe aluminum, I'm not sure. Just something that's sturdy. So we could do bigger ones. I don't know how they'll look. I want you guys' opinion on that, so make sure you drop a comment down below. What do you guys want to see for canards? And if you guys want to link me to like pictures of other cars that have cool canards, or design some, maybe Photoshop some, here I'll give you guys a nice little still there so you guys can Photoshop maybe even like this angle right here. So yeah guys, let me know in the comments below, what do you guys think I should do with those canards? But yeah, so after all that, it should be fairly exciting. I am going to be tearing this car apart, doing all of that body work. Of course, we're going to start with one fender and see how well it goes. Make sure we measure everything out, and then we'll do the other fender, so that'll be super nice. One more thing I have to do, while the bumper's off, might as well replace the headlights because we don't have bulbs right now that are proper. These two, so this one here and that one are out. So as long as we have the headlights off, or the bumper off, we can do both the headlights as well. So that'd be really sick. It's really pretty out here right now. So yeah, I just wanted to give you guys an update. And of course, I will be recording the entire process and speeding that up for you guys so you can see kind of what I'm thinking, where I'm going with it. We're gonna have to do some shaping as well, so we'll probably end up adding our own fiberglass, or even just kind of filling it with filler and making it nice. We're gonna cut here straight along this line so that it'll be flush, and then we'll make an attachment point there. So yeah guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace.